Hello everyone. Today, Winter Marketing Tool Channel will guide you on how to bypass Facebook's new 282 lock, which is the 282 video lock. We will use MKT Care, a software that supports managing and warm up an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. Here, we have some accounts locked with 282 video verification. If the number of locked accounts is too large, or simply if your PC does not have a webcam, unlocking all of them will take a lot of time. That's why we need the MKT Care software. Go to the Unlock Account section. Select Open Checkpoint 282 and configure some settings such as the number of concurrent threads, the interval between actions, and the maximum unlock time. Check the uploadfree.facebook.com option and select the folder containing selfie images to submit for Facebook's review. Finally, select the accounts that need to be unlocked and click the Start button. The software will begin working. If you need any more information about the software, feel free to contact me through the details in the description and follow more videos on the channel. See you in the next video.